guys, how's it going? Today we got another cool unbox video. So, I got this in the mail a few days ago. Just now getting around to opening it up, so let's pop it open. This is a pretty cool horn. Nothing too special, but I figured it would make a good comparison video against something else that I had. And it is BNSF. So, I'm a pretty big fan of BNSF stuff. I like the green and just like the locomotives. So anyway, let's see what we got. So I've not seen this horn yet, and as normal, it's packaged well. The guy I got this from, he always does a good job packaging. Lots of paper. Alright, we're seeing the first bell. So, here is first bell. This is a number 3K bell. And it's black. I thought this one was green. I have a BNSF K3L and it's green. This is black. So here is the next bell. This is a number 2. Just narrow font bells. Here's a manifold. So this is a high mount manifold. Next bell. This is a number 4, straight 4. So a straight 3 and a straight 4. So you may know what we have here. Here's our next bell. This is our number 1, and it is an unmarked number 1. And last, we've got a Sandcast 2-piece 1L. So this is a K5HL. This horn is going to be an early K5HL. There's not really generations of horns, but if there were, this would be like your first generation K5HL. Like early 2000s, where you've got your 2-piece Sandcast 1L. You've got a number 1. You've got a number 2, you've got a straight 3, and a straight 4. Not a 3A, not a 4A, just a number 3, number 4. And it's on a high mount manifold. Like I said, this is BNSF. So, anyway, nothing too special, but I do have my brand new raised letter K5HL. So, I picked this up thinking we can look at what an older K5HL non-raised letter horn with your Sandcast 2-piece 1L sounds like versus a new raised letter K5HL with your single piece 1L, because there is a sound difference there. So anyway, I'm gonna get this together and we'll look at it together. All right guys, so here it is. So this is a BNSF K5HL. Again, it's got your 2-piece 1L Sandcast bell. So I expect this horn to sound pretty good. I've seen a video of it before and it does sound good. The number 3 has had a replacement diaphragm, but other than that, it's all original. So anyway, good sounding horn. Looking forward to putting this up against my raised letter K5HL. So anyway, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks guys.